to show you the best way on how to go live on Instagram. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy going live on Instagram. What you need to do is just follow these steps. First up, you need to be on Instagram, and right over here, what you have to do is just go to your profile. And right over here, what you need to do is just press on these three horizontal lines on the top corner. Once you press on it, you just gotta scroll down to the bottom until you see this option of account types and tools. Go ahead and press on that, and just make sure that you switch your account to professional, and make sure that your account isn't private, because after the new update, private accounts can't go live. So what you need to do is just press on switch to professional account and make sure that your account is professional. Once this is done, what you need to do is just press on this plus on the corner and you'll see an option of live. If you don't see it, you must have 1,000 followers for your Instagram to go live. If you don't have it, you cannot go live. But it's very simple. You need to press on live option right over here and you're good to go. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope this actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.